forget the name Excalibur. Z's the zip zinger board that I'm passing you on. You still hoping that I pass the baton, but I hope you got your cameras on, cause ain't no passengers surviving when the damage is done. All you cats can file your damages, I'm smashing the song. Plus your shit is outdated like your calendar's wrong, boy. Sit fall back, it's all cats, record that. Or you can get your jaw cracked and stomp like floor mats. Cause we right outside your crib, doormats with two niggas holding on the back. Broad strap, plus they got the big bangers. Call it broad strap and leave your melon leaking like breastfeeding. She said she tempted but she won't let me caress the cleavage. It's the kind, bitch, why you need a better reason? Class clown, found it funny to correct my teachers. I stand proud, but I never said I pledge allegiance. I'm a veteran, flowing way colder than the 70s. Of course you be subjected to these heavy breezes. Or check the tag, miss, straight Steve's varsity jacket, setting me apart from the average. Cause I'm a motherfucking star. Ask just fuck friends, I'm in it for the dollars like Mavericks.